In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish a car.co website. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your website over here, the site you have created, and then when you're happy to post it and ready to do so, you want to click on this publish button up here. And then for the first time you're doing this, you're basically going to have to sign in case you didn't sign in already. So you're going to have to put in your name, your email, and then your password. And then here you're going to have to put in your title, which can be whatever, your description, which can be whatever as well. And then the action should be on publish to a .car.co URL. Now, after you do this, you must basically select the site domain over here, so the link via which it's going to be accessible. And here you can do whatever, but of course it has to be still available, and it must be at least 3 characters long. So once you've done this, you simply want to click on publish changes or publish site over here, or whatever it says, and it's going to start publishing, and then it's been successfully posted to this domain. You can then click on view site, you can share it, and it's going to be available, and this is exactly what it's going to look like over here, and your site is now published. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.